Hey to family, it's your girl Raquel, and I'm back out with another video. And it's my Boxycharm. Y'all, it's my Boxycharm base box. Y'all know I already got the premium. Look how beat up my box is. It's just, I don't know. The shipping since Boxycharm changed, or IPSY bought them, or it's just not the same. I'm losing the love. I'm losing the love. Okay, guys, if y'all want to see what's in this month's box, y'all, let's just get it open and see what we got. It's pretty thick. It's way thicker than the old, you know how thin and small those other boxes were? This one is pretty thick. So let's see what's in here. Kind of heavy too, y'all. That don't mean nothing though. I've learned. And it says, Boxycharm, go all out. Same thing as the premium box. This just says for whoever wants to know. For the version, it just says C21080002. If that helps anybody. Okay, let's get in here. Oh, okay. The first thing I see on top is an eyeshadow palette. It looks like it's Lilcutenurse Casual Collection Multi-Finish Eye Palette. $45. $45. Let's see what it looks like. Looks like it's gonna be a neutral palette looking from the outside of the package. But let's see. I haven't had anything from Lilcutenurse in a while. So, oh, okay, it is. Just like I assumed. It's a cute little neutral palette. Yeah. Okay. Might be a little too light for me, but you know what? That's the camera. Those are browns, the real light browns and gold. It's the lighting washing that out. I wish I could darken it up so y'all could really see the true colors. But yeah, it's cute. It's cute. It's cute. I'm liking this. $45. I don't know, but for the Boxycharm box, it's a plus. We don't need that. The next thing I have here, it says serum. Oh, it's a vitamin E retinol stimulating target treatment and luminous. It says it's by Clara's New York stimulating retinol face serum. 96% blend of retinol and vitamin E oils essentially stimulate and moisturize quench skin. Retinol provides anti-aging effects by acting as a targeted treatment promoting cell renewal. Yes, yes, yes. $24. $24. I ain't mad at this, but I got so much skincare in that premium box, y'all. Okay. Looks like a thick gel. I'm gonna open this because I'm gonna use this. Yeah, that's what it is, a thick gel. Not really thick and not sticky at all. Yeah, I'm gonna use this thing here at night. Okay, well, let's keep it moving. I'm happy so far. So far, so good. I don't know why I put that back in there. Okay, the next thing. What is this? Not another spray. I know I got 3 sprays in the other box. Hydration Happy. What is this? Manicador Beauty Hydrating Face Mist. Soothe, refresh tired skin with the mist that preps skin for hydrating base before makeup application. I got a Manicador. I don't know if it's this one. Yeah, I got this one. Okay, all right. Manicador has sent me a box, and yeah, but I've been using my I love the smell of this. It smells like roses, but it's cool. I'll take a backup of it. That is cool, and I know that it's sold at Ulta, but I've been so into the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless, because y'all, your makeup don't move. If you haven't tried it, you better. You sleep in it. You better. I just try it. It's good. It's good, especially wearing these masks, y'all. Okay, how much was that? Did I tell you how much that was? Yeah, $19 for that price spray. And the next thing I have, what is with this fan? I shouldn't say skincare, but this says it's a booty drops. Y'all, I got to read about this one. Booty drops. Girl, drop it like it's hot. Booty drops is a firming body oil that helps smooth you all over. Each drop is packed with caffeine to firm, energize, carrot root extract, hydrate, grapeseed, and jojoba oils. Girl, how much is this booty drops? $17.95. Y'all, booty drops. Y'all see, I'm really trying to get in here and let's see what's going on. We're gonna just drop it on my arm. I ain't gonna be rubbing the oil on my butt. I'm just saying, I don't know now. If you're gonna firm it up and tighten it, I might drop a few drops on my butt. Ooh. Y'all, it smells like a cup of coffee. We walking around with coffee booty. I'm just saying, it smells just like a cup of fresh brewed coffee. Okay. All right. I'll probably use this at night on my legs and hands and arms. I don't know about putting it on my butt though. Okay. All right, this box started off all good, then it just went left. But I don't know. That's something different that I haven't tried, so it's okay. I take that back. It's okay. And the last thing I see in here are some lava. Oh, lava lashes. That's what it says. The flirty lash set includes best-selling 3D mink lash, a clear lash-free brush on eyelash adhesive, and a gold applicator. And it says that this was $17.90. No, that's the booty drop, $17.95. Oh, it said its last set was $54. This is the, let's see what we're working with. $54 for one pair of lash, a little thing of glue, y'all. This must be a bougie. All the lashes are cute. Okay, I know I'm supposed to be showing it to y'all, but I'm trying to get to this little lash applicator. Okay. Yeah, it looked like it was pretty thin, but it's pretty heavy. And then it's a lash glue. And I don't know what this is. I guess this is just a piece of paper. Information card, maybe. Yeah, just an information card on how, if you don't know how to apply your lashes. Well, let me show this to y'all close up. Well, there went the little application. There we go. Pretty good looking lashes. They kind of, you know, super out there like they wearing nowadays. So $54? I don't think so. But anyway, at least I didn't keep getting, you know, all skincare. And I like the palette that I got. This coffee smelling booty drops. It's okay. It's okay. I ain't mad at it. It could have been all bad, all trash, but pretty good box for this month. Pretty good box. $25. More than likely well spent. Okay, guys, that's all I have in this box. I hope you guys having a wonderful, blessed day. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.